Hello, Walden University students. Would you like to boost your skills in applying for grants? Would you like to reach non-academic audiences with your social change mission? Are you interested in using your social media networks as a platform to discuss important topics? If you answered yes to any of these questions and you are a master's or doctoral student, consider enrolling in the Center for Academic Excellence course, Strategic Writing for Social Change. Strategic Writing for Social Change guides you in transforming your academic research topic into writing projects for other purposes. Topics covered in the 6-week course include grant writing, writing for mainstream publications, and writing for social media. Overall, the course teaches you how to tailor your voice and message to different audiences outside of academia. In the first 2 weeks, you identify funding opportunities and compose a grant proposal. Then you move on to using rhetorical strategies in a short piece geared toward a popular press outlet. In the final 2 weeks, you explore social media platforms and develop a strategy to communicate your social change message. The goal is to leave the course with the tools needed to pursue publication or grant submission on your own. To register for an upcoming term, contact your Student Success Advisor at studentsuccess@mail.waldenu.edu. Thank you.